Hey guys, hey gut feeders, hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to talk about the 3 reasons why you can't heal from SIBO and from Candida. My name is Peggy from PeggySchirmer.com. Warmly welcome you to Gut Feedings, the channel here to support you to become your own health expert so you know what's happening inside your body and you have the energy to go out there and live your life at the peak of your potential. Now guys, let's jump right in. Reason number 1 why you haven't been able to heal SIBO, heal your Candida issues is a high fat and high protein diet. Now, no offense to all the paleo guys out there and the keto diet. If you're a healthy individual and that diet works for you, I'm happy for you. However, if you want to heal a symptom like SIBO, eating high fat and high protein is the worst thing you can do because you want to make it easy for your digestive system, easy for your stomach to break down the foods, easy for your gut to heal, easy for your liver to heal. Really important here, SIBO, you gotta focus on your liver as well, not just on your small intestine. And actually, it's so painful for me. I have clients coming every day to me and saying, oh, but I'm following the FODMAP diet. They say I should eat eggs and I shouldn't eat fruits. It's just gonna make you more miserable. I'm sorry to say that clearly, but this channel is about sharing the information you need to heal as fast as possible. Even if I'm risking to offending somebody of you, I know you're just following what you've heard. There's a big thing about protein right now out there. Don't eat sugar, eat more protein. Even the vegans need to prove that they get their protein. We don't need that much protein. Often protein and fat, they come together. You want to go low in protein, low in fat, and high in healthy carbohydrates. I'm not talking about the sugar in the cake, there's also fat in there. I'm talking about fruits and nutrient-dense stuff. And we're going to come to that in a second. Just be gentle with yourself. I know this might have been an odyssey for you. Everybody's saying something different. The FODMAP diet. Then you hear this, like, what should you do? Guys, I don't want you to believe me anything. This channel is about you understanding what happens in your body. You make your own experience and therefore also your own decisions how you want to progress with your health, what really works for you and what doesn't. The worst thing you can do is follow the FODMAP diet and at the same time include more fruits. Follow my advice a little bit. So doing a little bit of this and doing a little bit of this is going to be worse. Make your pick. Maybe you want to go for the FODMAP diet for 2 more weeks and see if something improves. If not, and then you might want to pause the FODMAP diet or whatever anti-Candida diet you are on and just try out what I'm sharing with you in all the Candida videos I have. I'm going to link them below on SIBO playlist as well. Go for that one, but don't do both at the same time. It's just going to be confusing and I'll tell you why in a second. The reason why you make it so difficult for your body to heal on a high fat and high protein diet is because they need much more energy, not much more enzymes, much more bile from your liver to break down. First there comes carbohydrates, are the simplest one to be broken down, then protein and then fat. So if you focus in your diet on a high fat and high protein diet, and you don't have a good stomach acid build up, your liver doesn't produce enough bile, your small intestines are also not working at your peak because it has a SIBO condition, then what actually happens, you can have food rotting in your gut, which produces a gas, ammonia, leading to malabsorption, leading to brain fog, all kinds of pain in the body. This is what the leaky gut community often misses out, that it's actually not food particle traveling through our intestinal walls, it's a gas, and gas can penetrate everything in the body. It's just like a ghost floating all over. Ammonia is the key word here. I don't know about you guys, but for me, already with my mind, it makes completely sense to go for things that are easy to be broken down, easy to be absorbed, and leave all the complex, all the heavy foods out for a while. You're not going to go into any kinds of deficiency of proteins or fat. Don't worry about that. Also, all the whole foods are containing some parts of protein and some parts of fat. So you're going to be covered. Don't jump on the you need more protein propaganda, which just keeps you sick. Reason number 2 why you can't heal your SIBO and your Candida symptoms is you're still eating one or all of the 5 trigger foods. And these 5 trigger foods are foods that actually feed the pathogens in your body. This is really what both of these conditions are about. Candida, as I'm explaining in more detail in the other Candida videos, is not harmful in it by itself. Candida is a symptom. When we have Candida overgrowth, shows us that there's something this yeast is taking care of, and these are the pathogens in our body. Bacteria, parasites, viruses. In the case of SIBO, it's strep bacteria, a multi-resistant strain of strep, which is not just overgrowing in your small intestine, but in your whole digestive tract, also in your lymphatic system and in your liver. And these 5 trigger foods are actually feeding bacteria. Yes, bacteria also eat something and they also excrete something. Apart from toxic heavy metals, which is one of their favorite dishes, they love dairy products, they love eggs, which honestly, it just hurts my heart when I hear doctors still saying, oh yeah, you can eat eggs, don't eat fruits, but eat eggs. Eggs are the #1 cause for so many things that we call autoimmune diseases, that people are suffering from for a long time, or any kind of other chronic health conditions like SIBO or digestive issues. So dairy, eggs, gluten, wheat products, bread, get away from that. Rice is completely okay. Then we have soy lecithin, any kinds of soy products, even tofu or fermented stuff, and corn. Yeah, corn syrup, corn starches. You really need to look at the processed foods if you eat any processed foods to avoid these 5 trigger foods, because these are the ones that are mostly in processed food as well. Again, don't believe me, try that out for yourself, make your own experience, and let me know your results in the comments below. Last but not least, reason #3 why you can't heal SIBO and Candida is we need more nutrients. Yeah, especially if you eat a diet which is high in fat and high in protein, which both contain the most calorie dense foods, we're likely not having enough nutrients. Yeah, we're talking about vitamins, we're talking about trace minerals like zinc. Zinc is so important, and our soils are often depleted from zinc. We don't eat enough greens. Eat more spinach. You think about a high quality liquid zinc sulfate, a zinc supplement can be helpful with that. And then we need nutrients, we need vitamins. And where are vitamins mostly? They are in the #1 food that all of the doctors tell you don't eat if you have Candida or SIBO, and these are fruits. Yeah, I'm having apples here, I'm completely apple mania at the moment. So guys, fruits, this is healing. Yeah, this is food. This is your medicine. Here, it's also looking beautiful. You really want to eat it. I understand that if you suffer from SIBO and you have malabsorption, it might cause bloating in the beginning, especially if you come from a high fat and high protein diet. Just go step by step. The most important thing is proteins and fats down, trigger foods down, and then you can gently start with bringing in fresh vegetables, everything that is green. The darker the green, the better. The more vitamin K you have in there, the more trace minerals, iron, zinc, things like that, also including Hawaiian SPIRULINA for sponsoring up the toxins and all the waste products that have accumulated in your gut is important. More information about that in the video about Hawaiian SPIRULINA down below, you find it in the description. And then we want to go for fruits. We want to do lots of fruits while not eating fat. The worst thing you can do is like eat fat and high protein and at the same time increase fruits, which are natural in sugar. This will make sure that your blood sugar will stay high for a long period of time, being able to feed any kinds of pathogens in your body, and you make it even more difficult for your gut and for your intestines to absorb the nutrients. So guys, either you go for the FODMAP diet and the anti-Candida diet, or you try out this approach with low fat and high nutrient content. This is really your choice, but don't do both. There's one remedy which is the best if you want to speed up your healing. It's not the most tastiest one. I still hate it. I still do it every day, although I don't have SIBO and I don't have Candida, is celery juice. Celery juice on an empty stomach in the morning. I go more into depth about celery juice, what it does for your body, why is that awesome if you have SIBO and Candida, in a video titled SIBO and Candida, the #1 remedy to heal both. Let's recap. What are the 3 reasons why you can't heal SIBO and Candida? #1, a diet that is high in fats and high in protein. #2, you still eat one or all of the 5 trigger foods that feed the pathogens in your body and that make Candida overgrow because it needs to take care of the waste products of the bacteria and the viruses. And #3, your diet is not dense in minerals, in vitamins. Fruits are the ones that contains the most vitamin C, that is antioxidant, antiviral, antibacterial, helps to fight funguses, just to name a few here. So really make sure you have these healing foods in there. That's the most gentle and the most powerful way to finally heal your chronic digestive issues. Now guys, if this information is completely new to you and you feel a little bit overwhelmed right now, you want to give that a try, it sounds kind of good, you resonate with your gut with it, that's awesome. I know these 5 trigger foods, for example, they are in everything. And you might be, okay, what's left, and that what helps me to heal Where can I make sure it's low in fat, low in protein and high in nutrients? I put together the 1 week gut healing challenge, which I link you below, with a recipe plan, with a shopping list, with all the background information you need, with delicious and simple recipes. I really like simple, so there are not many ingredients, and also some snacks for on the go. That's something that can help you to transition easily and also be able to integrate that into your life without going crazy on all the diet restrictions and needing to think if that's good or this is not good, and end the confusion and end the struggle. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you a beautiful healing journey. I believe in you. I know you can make it. And let me know about your healing success in the comments below, so we can encourage other gut feeders as well and finally enjoy their life to the fullest. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye, guys.